everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my rolling BYOP or Build Your Own Palette, Pan That Palette. This is one of the themes that Dana and I had submitted to the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group to be voted on for the theme for Pan That Palette this year. It was not one of the winners. It did go pretty far, but it did not win, and we just wanted to do it anyway. So we are doing our own thing. We are doing a rolling Build Your Own Palette, Pan That Palette, but we're not doing it with the hard and fast rules of trying to finish it off as a palette. We decided since it didn't win as the theme, we wanted to just build our own magnetic palette through the potted shadow singles, you name it, and just have some fun with it. So we are both working on 9 shadows at a time. That is not like a number that it has to be. We both just have the size of magnetic palettes. It just fits 9 pans really easily. So that's what we went with. And you can either attempt to hit pan on a shade, or you can try to finish it, or you really could just set a goal, and it doesn't even have to be pan or to finish, whatever. This is like so no pressure at all. It's just for fun, and we're just, you know, whatever goal we choose, once we reach that goal, we're going to roll it out. We're going to roll something new in its place, and this is kind of like our fun palette to play with this year. We can put in things that we just feel like playing with, or we think it's going to work in conjunction with some other things that we're panning, whatever. Mine is for fun. It is definitely for fun. It's very colorful, and I'm loving it. I think I will probably continue to do this rolling BYOP even after the year has ended into next year, just because I enjoy it so much, and I just want to keep doing it. So that is probably what is going to happen. I'm going to have Dana listed down below. She is only on Instagram. There are a few other people that have joined in. They're going to be listed down below. If you're doing this project and I don't have you in my description box, let me know in the comments, and I will get you put into the description box so other people can find you. All right, as of the last update, I think I had 5 pans total so far, and I'm very happy to say I have 2 more. I had set 2 goals to hit pan, like 2 specific shadows. That was the Coastal Scents Brownstone and the Coastal Scents Blue Hawaiian. I think it was called Blue Hawaiian. Let me see. Yes, Blue Hawaiian. And I hit both of them. I'm very excited about it, and that means I get to roll 2 new things in. So let me show Brownstone. It is this shade right here. I will have picture overlays on a split screen so you can see. I've definitely hit pan on that. I primarily use this as my eyebrow shade, which made it really easy to hit pan on. I have so many matte browns, it's not even funny. So I'm going through them all. I'm just going to keep going through them. So that one is going to be rolling out. I'm kind of sad because this was a really good eyebrow shade, and the one I used today was not such a good eyebrow shade. I tried to fix it. It's not the greatest, but what are you going to do? And then here is a Blue Hawaiian. I definitely have some pan in here. This is what I was wearing. I got so many compliments. Everyone was calling it like a blue eye look, which I guess technically it is, because teal can go blue or green, but teals to me are okay. It's like the true blues that bug me. I'm totally okay with blues, even though it's called Blue Hawaiian. This to me is a teal shade, and yeah, I enjoyed this. So I think it was the last 2 videos I had up. No, not the last one, but the 2 before that. This is what I was wearing, because I filmed 2 videos on that one day with the same eye look and everything, and that's what I was wearing. Enjoyed it immensely for being a blue family shade. I liked it. All right, so those 2 are rolling out. Happy to have pan on those. I have some things that are staying in. This is what is continuing on right here. This first one at the top, this one is called Chameleon Violet Mica Powder. I do have this all over my lids today. I really enjoy this. It is very subtle if I don't foil it wet, because it is mica and it is not an actual eyeshadow. It's a little more fickle than a standard eyeshadow, but I am enjoying it. I do wear this whenever I'm feeling like super purple. That's the one I like to put on. So I definitely have a little bit of progress on that. and very happy about that because that came in, I think, last update. So baby dip on it. All right, the next one is Peach Puff. I've only used this like 2 times since the last update, and not a whole lot of progress on that, but it's going to happen. I'm not feeling like the peaches and the oranges yet. I have so many that I'm working on, and you know, once it really gets warm, then things will change. But it has been raining for like 8 days straight here. So over it, but you know, I'm not ready for the full-on warm colors yet because it's not warm. It is cold here. All right, next one. Speaking of oranges, this is Coastal Scents Hot Pot and Marmalade. I do have a little baby dip going in that one. This is one that is super pigmented. It's going to take a while to hit pan on that one. Next up, another one that's going to take quite a while. This is Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Pomegranate Red. And yeah, it's just going to take a while. This kind of goes along with the whole oranges because sometimes I will wear them together. I haven't been feeling it right now. I haven't. Sadly, this one has not been getting a lot of use. This is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Lavender. I don't think I wore this at all the last update. And it's funny because it kind of would have gone today, but I just really wanted something a little bit more, I don't know, a little more exciting than this one. This is such a mid-tone lavender. I wish it was either darker or lighter, but I do like it, but it doesn't get a ton of use. Next one, this one is Crazy Bright. See, these are all my fun colors. This one is Neon Bright Pink. I think I've used this once or twice since the last update. I do have a baby dip right in the center, but again, it's going to take a while. And the very last one that is continuing on, this is another mica pigment from Coastal Scents from way back in the day. This is the Chrome Carmine mica powder. I think I've used this twice since I brought it in last month, and I really enjoy it. It's another one that it is a little fickle and doesn't perform the same way a normal eyeshadow would perform because it doesn't have all those additives to it. I could repress it with those additives, but I'm used to them now, so I foil them. If I want like a bolder look, I just foil them. So, yep, baby dip in that one. Not a lot, but you know, it's only been in here a month, so I am not worried about that. Stuck my fingernail in it, I had to push that back down. All right, so this is what it currently looks like with my 2 rollouts, and I have 2 roll-ins. Is anyone shocked that I'm bringing in a matte brown? I didn't think so. This one is Coastal Scents Hot Pot. They're both of the shadows coming in are Coastal Scents Hot Pots because it fits so nicely in here. This is New Terrain. This one's a little bit warmer, but I'll figure it out. I think I can use this as an eyeshadow for my eyebrows. Might be a little light for a liner, but we'll figure it out. I will multitask this one and see if I can hit some pan on that one. And the next one is called Light Pink. I don't really feel like this is a true pink. It's kind of like a peachy pink, but I think it's going to work for me. As I was saying, some of the oranges and peaches and stuff that I have in various projects, I just needed something to tie them all together, and I didn't have a nice light shade that would work, like for a lid or inner corner that would really coordinate well with those, and I think this is going to do the trick so that on the days when I actually feel like I can wear the oranges and stuff, the peaches, I will have something to actually make it all work together very cohesively. So this is what the new palette looks like for this next month. Lots of colors. I know looking at this, it doesn't look like a cohesive palette because there are sort of duplicates, even though they're not really duplicates. And I could probably have put other colors in here, but rest assured, I probably already have those other colors in other projects that I'm already working on. So I'm trying to make sure this is still fun, but will also work with some of the other stuff that I have in projects. I'm enjoying this so far. I really am. I know Dana is enjoying hers as well. She is trying to hit pan on some and trying to finish some others. We just have very different goals this year, which is fine because we're making this project work for us and our our collections and our goals and everything else. And like I said, if you guys want to join in and you want to set your own goals for your stuff, that is awesome. It is so low pressure, which is what I like. I have enough high pressure stuff in my life and in my panning journey here. It's nice to have one that I can just kind of chill and do what I want to do with it. So that is my update. I guess I probably should set some goals. Obviously, I'm going to set a goal to try to hit pan in the matte brown. I've kind of been trying to do that like every month, make sure I have at least one rolled out. The other shades are going to be really, really tough. I don't know that I can hit pan in anything else. I might try to focus on Peach Puff here and see if I can make at least a good dip in it, as well as the new one, light pink, that I brought in. But I think my only rollout next month is going to be this matte brown shade right here. So hopefully I will have some good dips to show you at least. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.